manufacturing entails the production of health products using high-tech tools and qualified resources.
Manufacturing within the pharmaceutical industry is the entire process from raw materials until the packaging of a product.
Manufacturing takes center stage after a new drug has proven its worth in clinical trials and received regulatory approval.
It encompasses several critical stages, from the synthesis of active pharmaceutical ingredients to the formulation of these ingredients into the final product, such as tablets and injectables. Without strong production management, our client will not be able to deliver the expected product to the markets.
There is a growing focus on eco-friendly practices in manufacturing, which may require some major revisions of current processes. We accompany our clients in their sustainability initiatives.
The main challenge within manufacturing in the life science industry is to manufacture products in accordance with the GMP, while also respecting market deadlines.
I ensure that our teams and strategies remain aligned with client needs and industry trends. This allows us to be up to date and to provide our customers with quality support and technical expertise.
We have to be very focused on different areas within the production and also understand what the different procedures and processes are, so I can help them the best way.
For example, one of our clients lacks a comprehensive understanding of the entire manufacturing process. They have already tried several times to define a process flowchart and to implement a visual tool to manage it properly, but they never succeed. With our external perspective and experience from previous projects managed for other clients, it was straightforward for us to identify the blocking point and to help them to identify the best solution.